After completing algebraic expression 1 in our previous video, now let's look at algebraic expressions 2. Good for grade 8 and grade 9 work and revision. We start right away. Factorizing algebraic expression. That is what we will start with. And under this, we will factorize the following expression. The first one is 2x plus y. Factorizing simply means we group like terms together and unlike on the other side. In this case, Roman 1, we will have 2 is common. You can see 2 is common on both sides. So we will write 2 and then brackets. We put bracket. X is remaining. Then the other side plus y. When you open this bracket, we'll be moving here such that 2 times x is 2x. Then plus 2 times y is 2y here. So that is how we factorize the first. The second, 12k minus 6. What is common between 12 and 6? 6 is common. So 6. What else? K is only on one. It's not on the other, so it is not common. We put brackets. What is remaining so that we reach 12k? We have 2k remaining. 2k is remaining. Then minus 6 is already outside, so 1 will be remaining. That will be 6 times 2k, 12k. Here it is. Then minus 6 times 1 is 6. Here it is. So we have factorized it. The third one, 10p plus 5pq. That will be what is common between 10p and between 10 and 5. 5 is common first. We have p on one and also p on the other. So p is common only. We put bracket. What is remaining to reach 10p? 2. So we have only 2 remaining. Then plus 5 is already outside. P is outside the bracket. Q is remaining. So Q is here. When you open these brackets, we'll be going back here such that 5p times 2, that is 10p. Here is 10p. Then plus 5 times q is 5p times q is a 5pq. So we have factorized that. Next question. Simplify the following algebraic expressions and factorize them. Here we are going to group like terms together such that we will have those with a, we put them together. We will have 2a and 4a together. It will be 2a plus 4a. That is the first. Then those with b together, we have 6b and 2b. So plus 6b plus 2b that way. Then we can add, what is 6a plus 4a? 2a plus 4a, 6a. Then plus 6b plus 2b, that is 8, 8b. We have grouped the algebraic expression. Now let's factorize them. From this, we will be having, this is what we will be having. This is what we will be having. Let's just factorize directly. What is common between 6 and 8? 2 is common. So we will have 2. A is not common on both. Also B is not common. So only 2. Into bracket. What is remaining to reach 6a? 3a. Then the other side we put plus 2. What is remaining to reach 8b? Yeah, correct. 4b. Now that will be our answer for the first. Let's look at the second. 64m plus 48n minus 12 plus 24n minus 16m. Those with m together. So we have 64m there and 16m. So we will start with 64m minus 16m. So we start with that. Then the next, we group those with n to be 48, then plus 12. So plus 48n, then plus 24n. Lastly, we have 12 here alone, minus 12. It will be like that. Then let's solve. What is 64m minus 16? When you take 64 minus 16 is 48. So we will have here 48m. Next, 48 plus 24. 48 plus 24 is 72. So plus 72n minus 12. We are done up to there. Let's factorize now. The last step, let's factorize. This is what we will be having. What is common between everything here? 48, 72, and 12. 12 is common, so we'll put 12 outside. M is not common and N is not common, so we'll have 12 into bracket 48 divided by 12 is 4. So 4m remaining. Second part plus 72 divided by 12 is 6. So plus 6n, then minus 1. This is what we will be having. So this is our answer. Let's look at the third. Factorize by grouping. The question is, factorize each of the following algebraic expressions. 2a plus yc plus ay plus 2c. The same concept, we group together the like terms. Those with the a, I am putting them together. So we'll have 2a plus ay, then plus those with y, those with c, I am putting them together. So we will be having yc plus 2c. So plus yc, then plus 2c. This is what we will be having. So in the first part, a is common. A is common in the first part. So I put a into bracket 2 plus y is remaining that way. Then plus the second part, c is common. So c into bracket, y remains outside, plus 2 that way. A very important thing I want to show you here. Kindly check. Here, 2 plus y is the same as y plus 2. This and this are common. So we pick only one. 2 plus y. That is what we are going to have. Then the second part, check on what I'm picking. A plus c is what will be remaining. A plus c. Then you put the bracket that way. So this will be our answer. Let's look at the third question. The same concept. Check on how we are solving it. 4x plus yz plus xz plus 4y. Let's pick those with x. So we have the first one there. And the second one with x is there. So it will be 4x plus xz. Then the other with the y is, let me use a different color. The other with y is here. yz plus 4y. So plus yz, then plus 4y. Correct. Then let's factorize these two. You can see this. What is common between them? X is found on both. It will be x into bracket, 4 is remaining, then plus z, the first part, then plus the second part. What is common? Y is common. So plus y into bracket, z is remaining, then plus 4. That is what we are having. Realize something here. 4 plus z, 4 plus z is the same as z plus 4. So this and these are the same. We pick one. That will be, let's pick 4 plus z. The other equation will be x plus y. X plus y. This is our answer. Let's look at the last question on that. 2xy plus 3 plus 2y plus 3x. Let's pick those with x. So I can see only 2. So we'll start with them. 2xy, then plus 3x. Then the other will be, I'm using a different color blue. Yeah, definitely that will remain. Definitely the other will remain. So it will be plus a plus. Let's do plus. No problem. Plus, we have picked the first one, and plus 2y plus 3. That is what is remaining. Factorize. What is common? You can see x here and x there. So x is common. Into bracket, we have 2y, then plus 3. That is the first part. Then the second part is it will just remain the same. It will remain the same. 2y plus 3. That will be our answer. Let's look at the next concept, simplifying algebraic expression. We want to simplify. This is a very easy concept. Just check on what I'm doing. I will rewrite the question is already there. These are normal fractions, so we find the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Just by 3 because of 1, 4. And by 4 direct because of 1 and 1. So, what is 3 times 4? That is 12. So, LCM is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. We write 4. Then we will multiply by the number inside the bracket. Number inside the bracket is x plus 2. That way. Then plus the second part. 12 divided by 4. It is 3. So 3. Open the bracket. Number above is x minus 1. That way. Open brackets. 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 2 is 8. Then plus 3 times x is 3x. Then minus 3 times 1 is 3. All these divide by 12. Let's collect like terms. What is 4x plus 3x? 4 plus 3, that is 7x. The second part, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is positive 5. So plus 5, then divide by 12. This is our final answer. That is our answer. Let's look at the next question. 6y plus 4 divide by 3, then minus y minus 2 divide by 4. This is what we'll be having. As usual, LCM. Let me rewrite. This is 6y plus 4 over 3 minus y minus 2 over 4. So LCM is just 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. We write 4, open bracket, the number above 6y plus 4, that is the first, then minus 12 divided by 4 is 3, so 3, open bracket, the number above y minus 2. That way. The second part, we open the brackets. 4 times 6, y, 24, y, then plus 4 times 4, 16, then minus 3 times y is 3, y. Check here. Minus 3, then minus. We have minus, minus. Our next sign will be positive. 3 times 2 is 6, that way. All this, it is still divided by 12. That way. Let's collect the like terms. 12y minus 3y. 12 minus 3, 24 minus 3. That is 21. 21y is what we'll be having. 16 plus 6. That is 22. So plus 22. All this divide by 12. Can we go further than this? No. So this will just be our answer. Let's look at the second last part. 8, we want to simplify algebraic expression. Simplifying. Check on the concept. It is just factorizing as usual. What is common between this? Between 8mq and 8bm. What is common? 8 is common. The other, m. You can see m is on both sides, so m is common. 8m. Open the bracket. What is remaining? Q is remaining, correct? Then plus the second part, we have B is remaining, B, that way. All this, it is divided by, check on the denominator. We have 24 and 24. So 24 is common. We have P is common also. You can see P is on both sides, P. So 24, P. We open the bracket. We have Q remaining, the first part, Q remaining, then plus B is remaining, the bottom, B is remaining. What is common between numerator and denominator? This is common, so we can just eliminate. Therefore, we will be having 8m divided by 20 divided by 24p. So this means we can still simplify this further such that what is 8 divided by 24? By 8, 1, by 24, by 8, 3. So we have our answer as m over 3p. So we have simplified that. Let's look at the next question. The question is there. Let's simplify. Y numerator is xy plus yz. What is common? Y is common. You can see y is common. So y into bracket x remains outside, then plus z, that way. Divide by denominator. What is common? A is common. You can see A is here and here. So A is common. Open bracket. Z is remaining plus x. There, plus x, correct. Realize one thing. Numerator here, x plus z and z plus x. It is the same thing. We can simplify. So our answer will be y over a. That is our answer. Let's check on another possible question. Evaluating algebraic expression, we have values. A is 4. Yeah. Let me write the values as they are. A is 4. Then we have A is 4. What about B? B is C plus 1. That's right. B is C plus 1. And then C is a half A. You can see here C is a half A. So a half, what is A? A is 4. A half times 4 is 2. That means C is 2. Then B is C plus 1. So 2 plus 1. It means B is 3. That is the first step. Now let's solve. AB squared. A is 4. What is B? 3. 3 squared. 3 squared. Then minus, put bracket, 2A. So 2A is 4 plus B. What is B? B is 3. That way. That is the numerator. All this divide by C. C is 2. The first step. Let's solve. We will be having 4 times, let me write everything, 4 times 3 squared is 9. Then minus, we open bracket, 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3. That way. All this it is divided by 2. We continue. What is 4 times 9? That is 36. Minus 8 plus 3. It is 11. Then divide by 2. Let's continue. What is 36 minus 11? 25. So we have 25 all over 2. 25 divided by 2, 12.5. So 12.5 is our answer. I hope you have learned something on algebraic expressions too. You can like, share, and subscribe for more contents on the same. I wish you success in all the exams. I am a host tutor. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.